Welcome to Kaliru. Now look at these two solid borders. If I want to create a new body between these sections means I just to draw some profiles using a front plane and using that profile to create a solid body using a blind options, that is in directions 1. Afterwards, if I want to remove the section means I just to draw a profile to the top of the structure and create a profile similar to the sections using extrude cut only to remove the excess limit. If you want to create the excess point of view means I using this kind of options to my preference. Instead of that, I just using extrude both options only to create a solid body in between the structure just by selecting from surface face plane. This option helps to create a solid body from the surface itself. Just by selecting the surface is enough to make a solid body. Afterwards, if you select up to surface means the end limit also set between these two structures. No need to create additional solid bodies to remove it. Just using from surface up to surface. Now I simply make the solid body using extrude both option.